What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. I just want to do a little Sunday watch list for SPY and QQQ. What I see, we also have Feds this Wednesday, so it might affect Monday and Tuesday. Let me show you what I see on SPY. Let's start with the daily time frame. That's what we usually do. And as you can see in the daily time frame, we do have a gap from 549.17 all the way up to 553.28. If we'll get closer to the gap, I do want to look for continuation up and fill up the gap. So if we go to a lower time frame, let's go to the 4 hours for example, you'll see that the gap fill will start here at the top of this candle here on Wednesday. We did have some resistance here, we did have some supply around here. As you can see here, we broke this area and we came to retest it. We failed once, we failed twice with a lower candle here. So I do want to see if we're going to look at price action. If we'll go to this bottom here, I'm not sure, I've been looking for a bounce, but it may be a break of 537.4, and if we break to the upside, I would look to break to this zone, the 548, get a little bit a little pullback, and then a continuation break into the gap all the way up. So that's what I'll be watching, the 546.7, 547.9 for break to the upside, a retest, and continue higher. If we're getting to the gap at 549.17, I'll look to fill up this gap. And if we go to the bottom, look how we get to the bottom. Ideally, I will look for a breakdown, and if not, we'll look if we're gonna get some sort of volume around here. They're gonna tell us, okay, it might be a bounce here, 537.41. This is what I see on SPY. If I look at QQQ, I look at the low of Thursday, which was exactly at 545.63. I'll look for a breakdown of that, or if we see any type of buying pressure, I'll look for a bounce. Around this Thursday's high, if we break that, we might see a retest and going all the way up to the gap area. We do have a gap here to fill, which is 474.19 all the way up to here, which is 481.21. So we'll look at a lot of price action. We'll see how Monday, tomorrow we have no news. Tuesday we have some news, and we're gonna have, if you'll see on Wednesday 2 o'clock, we have Fed decision, so that's we're gonna get a lot of volatility over there. So those are the levels for SPY and QQQ. SPX, if you follow guys, SPX, this is the levels that I have. You can take a look, you can screenshot that, so you're gonna have that. This is work closely with the ES and the SPY. I sometimes take trades off the SPX as well with the levels that I find on SPX on SPY. Alright guys, hopefully that helps. Y'all have a great week. Try not to overtrade, sleep good, and be ready for this week. And hopefully you guys gonna get a green week coming your way.